Hello everyone, welcome back to another Sudoku. Today we're looking at another laser time Sudoku. Kind of a laser time special lately here. Wonder if we can get all the ones. Looks like it. Water is good. Got quite a bit of threes. We should be able to get something out of this, right? Yep. We get all the threes right away. All those fives. Sorry for not doing too much commentary right now, it's just sort of cleaning the board really. But I'm sure you guys are used to it. Huh. You get this 6 as well. And then, let's see what else. This 6 must be here. So we end up with a Xwing, I think. Yeah, and also this 6 up here I missed. Only a few 8s, but we can use them in quite a few spots. So let's see, 7, 8, and 9 are what is missing here. And this can't be 8 or 9. So now this becomes a 8-9 pair. And this is the odd one out, which is 2. Should be anyways. And now we got 5. And what else in here? Seven. So that locks 7 over here. This has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is a 4 what pair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 9 pair up here. So we got this 5, 7 pair. What else is missing in here? We got 2s, 4s, and 9. That has to be either 4 or 9. can actually make a little bit of progress on 2s. If you look at this, we got 2, 8, and 4 all in here. So this has to be the other number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gotta be a 9, I think. Which sorts out this whole business. Which sorts out this whole business. Four left in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't know much about 9 in that box. Alright, how about this area? It's missing 4, 7, what else? 8 as well? Yeah, 8, that's the big number. Because 8 must be here. And now that's an 8, so that's a 6, and that's a 5, which makes this a 7, and this a 5. And now 5s are all done. What does the 7 do for us? Forces a 7 into one of those spots. This should have to be a 4 or a 9, because this has to be a 4 or a 9. So this becomes a 9, this becomes a 4, and this becomes a 4, and this becomes a 4, and this becomes a 4. So a lot of progress was just made there. Now this has to be 7, 2 pair. And now this 4 is looking at this square. 7, 4. 4s are all done now. This 6 is being looked at, which makes this a 6. And now that's a 7, 9 pair, so this also must be a 7, 9 pair. This is a 2, 9 pair. This could be 2, 7, or 9. Okay, so how do we figure out this ending then? Got an Xwing on the 2s, Xwing on all the 7s, and all the 9s. Maybe it's this square that I already have highlighted. Could it be something to do with that? If this becomes a 9, then those are all 9s. Maybe it's 2s? Yeah, if this is a 2, this all becomes 2s. And then This all becomes 7s. And then there's nowhere to put a 7 here. So let me color this in so it makes a little bit more sense. These are 2s, right? Which means that this has to be a 7. And now I can't put a 7 there. So this can't be a 2. Which I'm sure is what I was supposed to find there. Now this 7, 9 is pairing up. So this has to be a 2. And that's a 2. And that's a 2, and that's a 7, and that's a 7. That's a 9, and that's a 9, and that's a 9, and that's a 7. That's a 7, and that's a 9. So once you get to the end of a puzzle like this, where it has a pattern like it had there, it's always going to be this anchor piece that causes a problem. I notice the more puzzles I do, it's always this third odd one out that generally only has one possible solution. I wouldn't consider that bifurcation, but it is kind of close. It's a neat technique, though. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.